We've recently launched a new suite of Pearson Edexcel International GCSEs 9 to 1. This video has been designed to give you some information about some of the key features of our maths qualifications, including Maths A, Maths B and further pure maths. I'd like to give you an overview of some of the key changes that we've made across our suite of qualifications. The first is that we've introduced a new 9 to 1 grading scale, with 9 as the new top grade, which has the benefit of greater differentiating students across the scale. With an increased amount of international content, the second key feature of our international GCSEs is that they are now more relevant for international learners. The third key feature of the new international GCSEs is that we have ensured that they continue to offer progression to level 3 and on to higher education. We've done this through consulting with a wide range of stakeholders, including teachers and university professors. The new international GCSEs will continue to be fully comparable to the UK reformed GCSEs, matching them in terms of level of demand, content and assessment standards. Now Graham Cummings will talk to you in more detail about the maths specifications.
We've ensured that our new Mathematics A, B and further pure mathematics question papers are accessible to students of all ability ranges. We've also made sure that the mark schemes are straightforward so that assessment requirements are clear from the outset. They are equivalent to Pearson's regulated GCSE mathematics qualifications. This ensures the international GCSE qualifications are recognised globally and provide learners with the same progression routes. Why choose Mathematics A, B and further pure mathematics qualifications? Each specification has been designed to extend students' skills by broadening and deepening their abilities in things like problem solving, which will be presented in a number of mathematical and non-mathematical contexts. Students will develop reasoning skills through presenting arguments and proofs, from making deductions and from drawing conclusions from mathematical information. They also provide the choice of 3 qualifications, giving you the flexibility to offer the qualification which is right for your learners. Mathematics A provides tiered papers. 2 tiers of entry, higher and foundation, allow students to be entered for a level appropriate to them, with questions in each tier that are accessible to students of all abilities within that tier. Mathematics A also offers equally weighted papers, since feedback from teachers indicated that this is a popular assessment model. We've retained this feature to ensure a continuity and familiarity of approach. Mathematics B and further pure mathematics also provide an alternative assessment model, which includes the requirement for extended answers to more in-depth questions. Very useful preparation for extended problems encountered at A-level and also degree-level mathematics. The table on screen highlights some of the key differences between Mathematics A and B. Mathematics A is examined at 2 tiers. There's the foundation tier with grades 1 up to 5, and there's the higher tier with grades 4 up to 9, although an allowable 3 is given. For Mathematics B, it's examined at the higher tier only, again with grades 4 up to 9, but there's an allowable level 3. Mathematics A has 2 2-hour papers and they each contribute to 50% of the qualification. They have 20 to 25 questions and more challenging ones at the end. Mathematics B has 2 papers, one of an hour and a half, one of 2.5 hours, and the first paper contributes 1/3 of the qualification, the second paper 2/3 of the qualification. The second paper has some longer questions to allow more extended answers. Universities will treat the new international GCSE much like they have done the existing ones and indeed Pearson's regulated GCSEs. They are recognised globally and should ensure progression for students to universities around the world. We've developed the GCSE Mathematics A to bring it into line with the UK regulated GCSE qualification, which has also been redeveloped. This has meant bringing in a few topics, particularly at the higher tier, like transformation of functions, compound measures, completing the square. And it's to make sure that the 2 qualifications are comparable wherever they are used.
we've developed a new suite of teacher and learner resources designed specifically to support the Edexcel International GCSE 9-1 Mathematics A and Further Pure Mathematics specifications. These resources include textbooks and digital support, and they've been through a rigorous development and review process and have been endorsed by Edexcel. The resources include a rich set of activities in every chapter to support student progression, transferable skills embedded throughout the resources and signposted explicitly, which supports their development, and exam practice tests and exam style questions to prepare students for the assessments.
Our specifications are now supported by a wider range of teaching and learning materials, resources and training. Our support provision includes schemes of work, exemplar materials, exam wizard, comprehensive textbooks, interactive resources and getting ready to teach events. It also features detailed exam analysis with Results Plus, a service unique to Pearson that provides free, online, in-depth, mock and actual exam performance analysis, supporting teachers to plan improvements in teaching and learning, driving student attainment.